When you enter data into an Excel cell, it will automatically fill the border. When you delete data, the cell returns to a blank cell. Select the area you want to process, select Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula to determine. Then, type the formula as shown in the video. Enter the boundary settings for the Excel cell and see the results. Insert comments in Excel are not just tasteless words, it can contain notes as images. Delete the word admin, then enter the comment format. In the color field, choose the fill effect. Select the folder containing the images to be inserted. With Excel Yihongbao, you can easily pull the column and row light function in Excel. However, this is a Tencent app, requires a WeChat account to activate. I will help you with a simple way to do something similar like this. Select the area you want to process, select Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula to determine, then, type the formula as shown in the video. However, you need to enable VBA Excel for the command to work. Do not select General in VBA, please select the correct sheet you need to run. You want to insert the signature and seal into the Excel sheet, but it hides the letters in the Excel sheet. Set transparent color. Click the picture you want to blur the background image. Sum function may calculate by row and by column. It can be calculated with one cell or multiple Excel cells associated with a data area. You will see the difference. In Table 2017 I can move column to column, and Table 2018 can't. Because of Table 2018 I used the Merge Center function. In Format Cell, select the center cross section for the cell. Now I want to filter the list of people aged between 18 to 27. Choose the advanced filter. Select the collation table and select the criteria range, then click OK. When I edit the condition, Excel will be automatically accessed. While printing, your spreadsheet does not fit on A4, A3 pages. Drag the dashed blue line out the border and your problem will be solved. You want to arrange the table on the left into the same order as the one on the right. You can manually copy each column one to merge, but it will take time. Scan and select the first two columns as a model, then copy to the table and then use the command as video. Press Ctrl+C to copy, then press Ctrl+V to paste the data. Now it's time to sort the table data by rows. By method hand, it really doesn't make sense. Create the number 1, 2, press Ctrl to copy to the end of the table. Rearrange the numbers, immediately our table is rearranged. You want to create a logo in the Excel sheet. Insert header footer. In the design section, select the path to the picture you want to insert. Once inserted, this logo image will run from the first page to the last page of the Excel sheet. You can add a title for each segment in the table. You can manually add each line and then copy the title. However, today I will show you a quick method to solve this problem. Create a number 1 and scan an area, then press Ctrl to copy it to the end of the table. Use Ctrl+G to determine where to add rows, then right-click to add the line to the defined positions. Copy the title, scan the table again, use Ctrl+G to identify blank lines, then press Ctrl+V again to paste the data. Very quick, right guys?